I have logged in under one of my students from a previous year, and I'm going to click on the assignment that I created when I was showing you how to create assignments in the teacher mode. So this is the Solving Systems of Linear Equations assignment that I created. I am going to click on that. I'm going to click on the first one, the solving graphically. And so here I have to get 0 out of 4 correct. It'll tell me my percentage. So I have my first equation, y equals x plus 3. So I will start at my y-intercept at 3. My slope is 1, so I'll go up 1 over 1 and then click, and that'll draw my line for me. My second equation has a y-intercept of -7 and it has a slope of -3/2. So I'm going to go down 3 over 2 to the right, put that in, and then I'm going to type in my solution. So the solution is this point, -4, -1. Now watch as I plug it in. -4, -1. I will click submit. It says make sure you write your solution as an ordered pair, which is good because a lot of my kids will probably forget that. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to put in my parentheses and then I'm going to click submit. And then are you sure you want to submit that answer? Yes. The green check mark means yes, I got it correct. I have 1 out of the 4 I need. It gives me the correct answer. Here's what I had. Here's what my solution was. That's what the actual solution was. I'm going to click on the next problem. So solve the following system equations graphically. So I'm going to do the same thing. Let's say I didn't know what I was doing. I could click on show example over here. And it gives me an example of something. A problem just like that. Shows how you would have graphed both the top equation and the bottom equation. And then it shows you the point where they intersect. And it shows you that the solution is that point, -5, 4. So I can go back to my problem. I'm going to graph this one real quick. Put it 8, slope of 1, y-intercept of -1, slope -2 over 1. They're meeting at -3, 5. So I'm going to type in -3, 5. Submit, yes. Green check mark. So I have 2 of the 4 I need. I'm just going to try to get through all 4 of these for you to see how that works. So then at 6, I have a slope of -1/2, so I'm going to go down 1, right 2. My other equation has a y-intercept of -4 and a slope of 2. My two lines are crossing at 4, 4. So I'm going to type in 4, 4 in parentheses. That's my answer. Yes. Green check mark. Got it right. Next one. So I only get one more right. I'm going to plug it in. 2, slope of -1. Other one starts at -4, slope of 2. So they're crossing at 2, 0. I'm going to type it in wrong just so you see what happens. Click yes. Ooh, I got a red X. That means it was wrong. Here it is. They show me that the correct answer should have been 2, 0 when I actually put 0, 2. So I did not get that one correct. So I still am at 3 of 4. So I need to do another one so I get to 4 of 4. And this completion percentage is how much of the total assignment. Not just the specific scale that I'm on right now, but the whole assignment I have to do. So I'm going to finish this one. -8 is my y-intercept. My slope is -2. They're meeting at -5, 2. Submit. Yes. Okay, so once you have 4 out of 4, you are done. You need to pay attention to this because it can make you still do more problems. It doesn't just stop when you get to 4 out of 4. So you'll go back, and let's say you created 4 out of 4. Then you go to the next one, complete the 2 you need there correctly, and then the 5 you need here correctly. And that is how you work through each one of these assignments.